Hi everyone, have you heard about LearnFlux by CommLab India? It's an amazing virtual learning event for L&D professionals by L&D professionals. It's CommLab India's Thought Leadership Summit where learning and sharing across domains and industries are encouraged. What's really cool is that there are speakers from all over the world, each with their own expertise in various domains. We have speakers from global learning managers to customer experience managers and also vice presidents of global diversity. But what's even better is that you've got so much to do during the LearnFlux sessions. You've got panel discussions, fireside chats, presentations, book reviews, workshops, and many other activities to choose from. It's definitely going to be an enriching experience for all of you. The topics that LearnFlux sessions focus on are super relevant too. We're talking about micro-learning, blended learning, game design for e-learning, VILT, training trends, and many more interesting topics. LearnFlux is a 3-day workshop that is jam-packed with discussions from industry experts who will share their success stories, teach you how to use learning technologies, and discuss newest learning strategies and many more interesting topics. So L&D experts looking to make an impact and grow their skill sets will gain a lot by joining LearnFlux. Apart from access to the 3-day summit, participants can also avail exclusive welcome kit, eLearning Champions swag box, the A to Z of corporate training workbook, credit in store for rapid e-learning accelerators. And the best part is that your registration will help us sponsor 100 meals to the needy in our local community. You will get all these for just $97. The 8th edition of LearnFlux is scheduled for March 21st to 23rd, 2023. Trust me, you won't want to miss everything that's in store. So what are you all waiting for? Register now and save your spot.